Introducing a new solution for 2021 and up Ford E-Series cutaways, the 95-5860B. Start by removing the radio using Metra's 86-9001 radio removal tool. If you don't have a removal tool, the factory dash panel can be removed with the radio attached, and then the radio can be removed. Next, remove the dash panel and bend the factory rear support back to make room for the traditional doubled-in radio's depth. Next, place the forward speed clips provided into the subdash for extra radio support. Now there are some subdash modifications, but like always, Metra's instruction manual will help you get the job done. To finalize this install, visit Metra Online's Vehicle Fit Guide for your audio and steering wheel control interface options, and your antenna adapter will be the 40-EU10. And all of the cutting will be covered up by the provided radio trim panel. This kit is designed for a doubled-in install and has a textured trim panel to match your factory finish. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.